Guys, you guys don't have conscience. What do you guys want me to go naked? Guys, I have created over 130 video plus and I only have 2,000 plus likes. So that means most average of my videos average about 10-15 likes. Why now? Most of you guys watch this video to the end or almost to the end, and just how will you watch video? How will you, if you are not a bad person, how will you watch a video that took me a week to create, and you decide to watch the video, no like, no subscribe? Why now? Don't you have conscience? Are you not human? Like this video now. What is your problem? Like the video, just like, subscribe, that's it. You are not paying for it. It is free. You are not paying for it. Like the video, like, subscribe, share if you can, please. So guys, because of you guys, I want to paint today. Because you guys decided not to like my video, I am taking a painting job, which is I want to paint my room today, guys. So this is just a day in my life, guys. I want to paint this room. So guys, if I can paint this room like a professional, maybe you guys can like this video. So guys, let me show you guys just how I want to paint this room. So this room, I've been living in this room for a while, guys. So I just decided to change the interface because it's not been really good. So though I have a more better background in the parlor, but taking my video and my equipment to the parlor to record videos is not really nice. So I just decided to get paint yesterday, and I just decided to paint this room, guys. So guys, after this, I'll be showing you guys what I said in my previous video. So I said something in my last video that I'll be launching my new business. So guys, I want to show you guys just the full tour on how the business looks like today. So first, I want to paint this room. When I'm done, then show you guys how that looks like. So guys, this is just how the room looks like. So this is the before of the room. So are you seeing it, guys? This is the before of the room. This is how the room looks like, guys. So this is the paint right here. So are you seeing it? I am painting the room with dark gray. So this is dove gray right here. So this is the white. This is also the dove gray. This is brilliant white. This is brilliant white right here, which I'll be using for the ceiling right here. So guys, this is just the before. So I have done some just a preview of how the world should look like right here. So this is just it, guys. This is just how I wanna transform this whole place into something nice. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, before we continue the video, I just want to show you a quick breakdown of the trade we took this week on the Telegram channel. So this is the trade we took on Monday, which went up beautifully, and these are the trades we took. So this trade had to hit our stop loss with just few pips, then went to our take profit. It also happened the same way here too. Hit our stop loss a little bit, then went straight to our take profit. So one thing I usually tell everybody is that nothing is 100% guaranteed in this market. The market doesn't care if you make money or you lose money. Nothing is 100% guaranteed. So guys, how I am able to spot this trade, I have made like almost 3 to 4 videos on how I'm able to trade this concept. So I call it the London breakout. So there is basically, I don't want to make this video too long because I have made three videos on explaining this concept. So if you have not watched the video, I recommend you to go watch the video. I don't need to start explaining how I'm able to catch these trades again here. I'll be leaving the video in a link in the description. I might be displaying it on the screen here. So you can also check the channel. It is tagged London breakout. Check the channel, you'll see the videos. Honestly, if you watch this video, guys, if you are able to watch this video and understand it well and do a clear back test on this concept, honestly, you come here and you thank me later. So guys, if you would love to see my trading analysis and my signal, you want to also trade my signal with me, I'll be leaving my Telegram channel link in the description, and I'll also be leaving it in the comment section. So if you would love to see my analysis and signals, I'll leave the link in the description, so you also go and join. And if you love the way I trade, you also want to learn how I trade, just click the pin message in the Telegram channel, follow the prompt, and
you see me, I'll see you on the other side. And if you want to talk to me directly, I'll be my contact, my WhatsApp contact is on the channel. So if you want to learn how to trade, this is just basically for anyone that is interested in learning how I'm able to trade. You want me to teach you directly, I have said it in my past video. You click the link in the description, go to the Telegram channel, follow the prompt, or you DM me on WhatsApp and let's talk. Just know this is not free. So most of you guys are coming to my DM and asking me how to let me teach you these things. I am giving you my time. Guys, I am giving you my time. I'm giving you my energy. I want to teach you. I want to elevate your trade, and you don't expect me to give you this for free, because I put my sweat and my blood in this, and you can't just come to my DM and telling me, "Guy, can you help me for free?" No. If you want a free one, you see it on the channel, Telegram channel. But if you want me to give you my time, my energy to teach you, you have to pay. It is not free. It is not a must. I'm not trying to preach someone to like try to preach anything to anybody or sell to anybody. But if you would love me to teach you how I trade, you have said it, go to the channel, you will see my contact there, and note that it is not free. The mentorship is not free. They are paid, they are free. This is the free one is what I can give you guys here. But if you want the more of me, you should be ready to pay for it. It is not a must. At least with this one also, you can also use it, and it is not a must. With this one alone that I'm showing here, you can use it to elevate yourself, honestly. If you know what you are doing, what I have said in like 3 of my videos, if you can pay attention to it and do your rough back test, honestly, you come back to this video and thank me. So guys, let's continue the video. I think I've said enough at this point, so stay tuned, guys.
As this is the P&L for the week. So basically the account was about $34 on Monday. So due to the losses I took, the account is back to $26, which is like, so honestly, I have made almost 100% of the account. Like I have almost flipped the account into $20. So the losses I took the account back to $6. So we are still up in profit, guys. So the goal is to trade the account from $20 to $100. So now we are $26. So let's see how next week is gonna go. So next week will be my last trading day, rather. So I think that's just it. That's just it for the weekend. Not really much. So guys, about the painting job, I got somebody that was gonna paint the room, but the guy will be showing you guys the rest of the video, so you guys could and just sit back and enjoy the view. Trust me, you will love it. So don't forget to like, share the video, subscribe, share the video to anybody that can get inspiration from this my video, and much love, guys. Stay tuned.